Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, front reading lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.